Hello, my crafty friends. I received a beautiful tag from my friend Leticia Savala. She does not do YouTube, but I think she is on Instagram, if I remember correctly. It doesn't say. But she supports a lot of our channels. She's a very good friend of Alicia and Jelly Bean, which is how I got to, kind of be introduced to her. And I was so beyond blessed that she sent me a tag. And this is it, you guys. I love this tag, Leticia. It is gorgeous. Your work is amazing. I just love it. I love the little heart circle around the center heart. And it's blue. It's so pretty. And she's got some gorgeous ribbon up here. Just beautiful. And the word love. And you guys, she wrote a message to me on the back. I can be a sap. I am a very sentimental person. I'm rather sensitive, but I cried like a baby when I read her message. I'm not kidding. It was so touching. Leticia, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Your note really touched my heart, and I cried happy tears. So thank you so much for thinking of me. It honestly means more to me than you could ever know. And thank you for my beautiful tag. I will cherish it forever. Okay, you guys, I'm going to let you go. And that's it for my happy mail for right now. Bye-bye. Make a happy memory. Thank you, Leticia.